So now here's our interior, and looking at just basic buttons, you have what you think is radar cruise here. Not 100% sure because nothing actually says it, but you can turn it on, turn it off, and if you press the collision button there, you get a gap adjust. Here you have radio controls, voice commands, hanging up the phone. Another ADAS feature, automatic high beams, which is actually a really great feature when you don't live near the city. Automatic headlights and auto high beam. And here we have lane control, auto start. And what's confusing is you think this might be the power button for the car when you sit inside, but it's actually not. It's actually right here. So let's see where we're at. I actually like the simplicity of this. So the controls are very easy to see, very easy to read, very easy to touch. Nothing's on right now because the key is not even in accessory mode. It's just in radio mode. So the screen controls, you have radio, phone, if you have a phone connected, traction control, so you can turn it on or off here. View vehicle info, you have to start the car. And same here. So this car does have a Wi-Fi hotspot, and you also have climate control from here. Climate is off, that's all it tells you. Pretty funny. So let's turn it on. Look at that. So you have dual climate controls. You can turn it on and off here, or you can turn it on and off here. Interesting redundancy. Here you have information about your trips, your fuel economy. You can have battery voltage, coolant temperature. Show and cluster, what's that? Oh, look at that. Remove from cluster. Coolant temperature. In case you want to show that one in the cluster. There's how you do it, or you can take it out. Oil life, tire pressure. You could also relearn it or show it in the cluster here. Interesting set of gauges. Up top you have your passenger airbag, your OnStar, your emergency, all standard GM stuff. Basic wiper controls. It does not appear to have automatic wipers. Down on the bottom you have your 12-volt accessory, USB-C and standard USB. Does not appear that you have any way to turn off the blind spot. So here's how you confirm that it's working. When you turn the car on, it'll blink and go off. And if there's no lights on the dashboard, the blind spot is fully operational at that time. Also, this vehicle has a crash sensor in the front that will warn you. And when you start the car, this is how you also check if it's operational. That works in sync with the blind spot sensors. And if there are no issues after clearing all the codes and test driving, you should have no lights other than the seatbelt light because my seatbelt is not fastened. So this is the 2025 Buick. Not a bad car. Hope you like it.